you're approaching retirement with significant income or assets, this year end is important for your taxes. Why? Because the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or the OB3, changed the rules, and what you do before December 31st could shape your retirement tax picture for years to come. Hi, I'm Joe Overfield, president of Intelliplan Financial, and today we're going to walk you through 6 important year-end moves high-income retirees like you should consider, so you can make the most of 2025 and avoid costly mistakes. First up, charitable giving. Thanks to the OB3, 2025 is your last chance to deduct the full amount of your charitable donations. Starting in 2026, only gifts exceeding 0.5% of your adjusted gross income, or your AGI, will be deducted. So for someone earning $300,000, that means you need to donate over $1,500 just to get any deduction at all. So consider these strategies. Accelerate multiple years of planned donations into 2025, or you can fund a donor-advised fund account now to spread gifts to charities over time. This one move alone could help save you thousands, but timing is important. Next, Roth conversions. Moving money from a traditional IRA to a Roth can be a smart move, but the OB3 makes it more complicated. New itemized deduction limits kick in next year, and your income affects Medicare premiums through IRMAA. But if you act before year end, you might reduce taxes or avoid higher premiums. But poor timing could cost you thousands. The key here is model all the possibilities with a professional before you make a decision. Next, have you ever thought about going green at home? Solar panels, energy efficient windows, or maybe heat pumps? December 31st of 2025 is the final deadline for residential energy credits. After that, they're gone. Make sure the installation is complete and claimed on your 2025 taxes. Otherwise, you'll miss the opportunity to offset those costs. Now, let's talk about if you're a business owner. You have leverage most W-2 employees don't, which is discretion over when to recognize revenue and take deductions. Revenue and expense timing can make a big difference under the OB3. Just for example, delaying December invoices until January could push income into a year with better tax treatment. Prepaying January expenses in December could maximize deductions. It can be powerful, but only if you analyze it across multiple years. Now, let's talk about the new senior deduction. If you're 65 or older, the OB3 gives you a $6,000 deduction per person for 2025. Now, this is temporary and only lasts until 2028. This extra deduction can open up new planning opportunities, such as accelerating income without hitting higher tax brackets, adjusting charitable giving strategies, optimizing Roth conversions. If you qualify, it can create significant tax savings, but you need to plan around the 4-year window. And finally, itemized versus standard deductions. The OB3 changed how itemized deductions work for higher earners starting in 2026. Some people will benefit from maximizing itemized deductions this year and then switching to standard deductions next year. Others may need a different approach. Okay, the point here is timing matters, and it's unique to your situation. All 6 of these moves interact with each other. Accelerating charitable gifts affects deductions. Roth conversions, that might impact Medicare premiums. And the senior deduction changes income timing. If you optimize one area without considering the rest, you could actually end up paying more in taxes. That's why holistic planning matters. At Intelliplan Financial, we treat tax management as one of our 5 pillars in our holistic wealth management approach, integrated year-round with your retirement, assets, legacy, and protection planning so that they all work together. For pre-retirees and retirees with significant assets, the choices you make before December 31st could shape your retirement for decades. For help navigating these OB3 complexities and coordinating your year-end moves, schedule a complimentary consultation with us today. at IntelliplanFinancial.com. I'm Joe Overfield, and thanks for watching. Let's make your tax strategy work for you, not against you.